Traditional floor plans give you the basics, but homes are complex, three-dimensional spaces. Our research shows only 27% of rooms are regular squares or rectangles. That means very few rooms can be measured with true accuracy using only traditional tools, like tape measures or laser pointers. They simply cannot capture the intricate shapes of real rooms. This results in a margin of error that can quickly add up to thousands in miscalculated property value. Now there's a solution that can measure any room accurately, and it is raising the bar when it comes to how property is valued. Introducing Spec Verified floor plans, the new standard in property measurement. Each Spec Verified floor plan is captured by one of our digital surveyors, who are RICS certified property measurers. They are created using revolutionary 3D cameras that capture millions of data points in every room, delivering millimeter-accurate measurements. Spec Verified floor plans are easy to grasp and include all the numbers that matter most. Spec Verified floor plans help everyone do business accurately, reliably, and with greater confidence. Spec, inspiring peace of mind for every sales and rental experience.